Namaste, Dr. Vandana, working as a senior medical officer at Kshemavana. Menstrual cycle is known to be the fifth vital sign for our internal health. So it is a monthly report card what it tells how is our internal health. So as you all know, if there is any menstrual abnormalities or painful menstruation, heavy bleeding, this is all the result shows that there is some hormonal dysregulation happening due to our internal or external stressors. So there is a question that why menstrual cycle is said to be the reflection of our health. If there is a dysregulation in our hormonal imbalance, it reflects on your menstrual cycle. The menstruation is not a closed loop, it is governed by our hypothalamo-pituitary ovarian axis, which controls our overall or monthly menstrual cycles. What influences all these menstrual cycles? There are four pillars. One is stress, one is sleep, diet, and toxins. Stress is the main cause for our menstrual abnormality. How? By increasing the cortisol during our stress, it affects the ovulation and also affects on our PMS symptoms. The GABA receptors also is involving in our stress. So by this, it is working on our dysregulation of ovulation and also PMS symptoms like anxiety and mood swings worsen. Next, sleep. As you all know, melatonin is a sleep hormone. It is directly linked with our luteinizing hormone. Think if you are having a lack of sleep, it is directly affecting on our menstrual cycles. Next is toxins. So as you all know, because of our lifestyle, whatever adulteration is happening, we are consuming unknowingly many of the toxins. For example, plastics, pesticides, they are acting on our hormonal imbalance by mimicking same like estrogens, which end up with our uterine fibroids, endometriosis. Next is diet. As you all know, we are in a world that we are consuming more of preservative foods, which is increasing our insulin, sugar levels, which is impacting on our inflammation. So there is no good gut food we are consuming. So there is lack of probiotics, there is lack of prebiotics, which are all leading to our hormonal imbalances. So these are the things we need to take care. One is stress, sleep, toxins, and diet. So how naturopathy and yoga helps in recovering all these? Yeah, in naturopathy and yoga, we work on the underlying inflammations. So we tell everyone to follow yoga in the form of asanas, pranayamas, relaxation, diet, which is very much helpful to work on their menstruation, regularity of their bleeding in every month. So next is how to work on our stress management, that is mental health balance, and also last is our maintaining our sleep cycle by fixing our circadian rhythm. How does yoga helps in our gynecological concerns? So by doing asanas, we are mainly focusing on our strengthening of the muscles, improving the circulation to the pelvic flora. So Bhujangasana, Janushirshasana, Baddha Konasana, these all work on our pelvic muscle strengthening and improving the circulation for the pelvic flora. Next is pranayama. Pranayamas mainly work on parasympathetic balance. When we are having stress, we know that sympathetic dominance is more. So by doing pranayamas like Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, Brahmari Pranayama, Kapalbhati, this mainly works on vagus nerve and also helps in stress management. Next is relaxation techniques. So we are always in a stress response. To go into a relaxation response, we need a mindfulness techniques like deep relaxation, instant, quick relaxation, yoga nidra, mind sound resonance techniques. Next is the diet. Diet mainly plays an important role in anti-inflammatory. So ginger, which is having the anti-inflammatory properties, which inhibits the cyclooxygenase and lipooxygenase properties and pathways. Turmeric, which is having the anti-inflammatory property and also acts as a pain relief. Next is cinnamon, which is a very good calcium influx property, which helps in relaxing the uterine smooth muscles. Next, if we go for the naturopathic treatments, like hip bath is a very good treatment where you can immerse your pelvic region in the water. It may be any temperature, which has a very good effect on improving the blood circulation. There are many research papers which help by taking a hip bath in any neutral or cold water temperature. It helps in improving the blood circulation to the pelvic flora, thereby giving a good effect on our gynecological concerns. So hope you will all follow all these remedies of yoga and naturopathy and get a good report card of your monthly menstrual cycle. Thank you.